Yes guys, hello and welcome everyone back to another video. Now in today's video we are going to be putting my first mods on my new BMW. Now I do just want to say, if you're not interested in cars, there will be technology videos coming soon, but at the minute I really want to do videos on BMW because it's content I enjoy and like to make, so yeah. But as I said in this video, what we're going to be doing is, first of all, I'm going to quickly like valet it up because at the minute it's a bit filthy. Now it probably looks on camera quite clean, but literally it's absolutely filthy. So we're going to get it clean first. We're going to get it clean first, and then what we're going to do is we're going to start on a few mods. I've got a couple interior mods, and then I've got mostly exterior mods, but they're subtle mods, but they're going to make a big difference. Before we do, I hope you guys are well. Obviously the whole coronavirus thing recently, but hopefully you guys, none of you have caught it and you're all still healthy. There we go guys, the car is now all clean. As you can tell, it literally looks so nice. It's currently 10:51 AM. Now I have to leave here at 12, so that is an hour and 10 minutes. So let's see what we can get done on the car. In here, I have a box of everything. You probably won't be able to see that, but I actually have a box of everything I want to do. Now this includes, I want to put new hubcaps on it because the hubcaps I've got are corroded, because BMW's hubcaps are known for corroding. I've got a rear black ring to put on the boot. I've got a red StartStop button to match my red interior. I've also got new M Sport logos. And yeah, I'm also probably going to debadge it in this video too. My glasses are steaming up, it's that hot. But yeah, that's what I'm kind of planning to do in this video. And I'm going to kind of run you through what I do, just in case you get a BMW like this. This is an F21 2000 well, it's a late 2015, but it's a 65 plate, so it's classed as, some people class it as 2016. So yeah, it's a 118i, so we're going to be debadging the back later on, because I don't think it looks very good with the badge. And also, this car is actually going to be sent to a paint shop, paint and repair shop soon, to get the mirror caps resprayed, because there's a lot fewer marks on them from the previous owner. And also, it's going to be getting a whole rear bumper respray, because there's a few marks on there because of the previous owner as well, or who had the car previously, because there was two previous owners, so obviously someone must have hit to the bottom of it. But yeah, my glasses keep steaming up, which is so annoying. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I just want to say a massive apologies for the noise of the cars and that. Obviously I do live on a main road, so what can you do? But yeah, before we get into the video properly, make sure you leave a like, rating, subscribe, and also comment, and make sure you ding down that bell as well if you want to see more videos like this. I reckon we should probably start with the hubcaps. As you can see on here, there's like a load of corrosion all the way around, and it's worse on others as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try pull these out. Bear in mind, I've never done this before, but the thing is, I will be careful a little bit, but I will be getting these resprayed in future anyway. So I'm not too worried if there's a few marks on it. As you can see, there's a mark down there. But yeah, let's see if we can take these off and repair them and replace them with the new ones. So I'm not really sure on how to remove these, but I've just watched the video, and the guy used a sharp knife. Now, I'm going to be very careful that I don't scratch my tyres. So that's what I'm worried about. My alloys, sorry. Ah, there you go, there you go, there you go. Boom. That is off. That is the old one off. As you can see, you probably won't be able to see that, but it's like really corroded and really bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly clean in there a minute. And to clean it inside, I'm going to use the Yum Cars detailing spray, just as a bit of lubricant really. So let's see how clean we can get it. Oh yeah, so much better. Perfect. Okay, so let's put the new one on. God, that is satisfying. Perfect. There we go. That is the new one on, and now we've got to do that for all the rest of them. So there we go, that is that one done, and it is also that one done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove this one. Look how bad that looks. Like, it's actually seriously corroded. You couldn't even see it then, but look how bad that looks. It's awful. Yeah, now we're going to go ahead and do the other two, and I'll be back with you once I've done that. So guys, next up on the list, what I'm going to do is I'm going to install this. Now this is like a boot ring, and it's to go on that, like that. So what I'm going to do, first of all, is I'm going to heat up the adhesive so that it has a good stick on there. I've been told that it actually, I think you're meant to actually stick it over the top. That's what the eBay, like the eBay page said, was to just stick it over the top. But yeah, it should fit absolutely fine. It feels like it's going to fit, so I'll stick it over the top. If it falls off in the future, I'll then take this one off and then put this one over the top. But yeah, that should stick absolutely fine. There we go, guys, that is now installed. Personally, I think it looks much better. I would just say that I have got a mark on there for the same corrosion issue as the hubcaps, but it's really hard to find one that fits for this, but I'll definitely get that in the future. I know this has been a bit of a strange video so far. It's probably been a little bit rushed, but I have only got like 50 minutes to get this done, but that is the boot ring done. So now let's go on to the M Sport side logos. We're going to heat them up, use fishing wire to get rid of it, and put the new ones over the top. And also I'm going to show you a quick trick that if you don't know, this will help you. A quick tip is to just put some masking tape below it, just so you know exactly where it's got to go. Like that, and then put some of the other sides so you know how to align it. Yeah, I'm only going to put it on lightly because obviously I don't want it to stick down properly. So what I've got is I've got some fishing wire here which I'm going to use to get behind there and pull it off, but first of all we're going to heat it up. I'm only going to put it on a light heat and on a light below. That has now pulled it off, so now we've got to go ahead and take all that off, which is going to take quite a long time. So I'm now going to use some of the Young Cars detailing spray to see if I can try and get the majority of the muck off. Obviously we will be covering this, so it's not going to be too bad. Look at that. That looks so much better like that. Wow. That is literally so much nicer. It's like fully blacked out now. It looks epic. So now I'm going to quickly do I'm going to do the exact same to the other side now. So there we go, guys. That is now all black. It doesn't look so much better, and obviously the other one around here as well. So that one there as well, and obviously you've got the boot ring as well. Like that, looks so much better dechroming it. I will get rid of this. I'm going to have to do this another day because I haven't got time today, so I'll get rid of that another day. I might put black versions over the top, or I might just dechrome it. I might just completely get rid of it, and I also need to sort out this badge in the future too. So hopefully you're kind of enjoying this mod video, and if you guys have BMWs, I'm sure you will. But now it's time to get this button, this start-stop button, replaced. Now, I've looked up all different videos and they all say get a trim tool. Now, I haven't actually got one, but I've seen other ones that use like credit cards and debit cards. So I'm gonna go get a card and see if we can get it off. So I've now got a card, and basically what we've got to do, I've been told, is we've got to kind of like wedge it out. So we've got to get this behind it and start picking at it. Pretty much got it. There we go, that is out. So if we go ahead and quickly unplug the wiring harness. So this is the actual start button. So now we've got to unhook all of the hooks. So I'm going to use the card again. This is kind of a tutorial video, but kind of not. It's more of like just showing you along the way. If you did want an actual tutorial video on it, then let me know. But yeah, this is quite an awkward fiddly bit, I've been told. So with this, it's a little bit more fiddlier. We've actually got to unscrew, or basically untab the two clips inside. There you go. So that one's now come out. This is the black button, and now we're going to quickly grab the red button, make sure it's the right way to start off with, and then put it back in like that, and then make sure it's squeezed in and make sure the tabs are fully in, which they're not at the moment. So basically I'm just making sure the actual tabs are inside. It's hard to explain, but the tabs are fully over the latches. So if you can see that in there, which you probably won't be able to, but I've got to make sure those tabs are fully in. And they are in, and look how nice that looks. It looks so much better. Now it's literally just a case of putting it back on, and now let's try to see if the car turns on, which it does. Oh god, I'm so happy about that. Right now, we literally just got to push it back in. It feels a little bit horrible when you do it, but there we go. That is so much better. I love that. That is sick. So there we go, guys. That is this video done. In this video, we've kind of like cleaned it right up, and we've also obviously done the mods. So we've done that mod there. Obviously, we've done the other side too. We've done my favourite one, which is the red start button in there. That looks amazing. It matches the red interior. And then of course we've obviously done the black rear badge too. We never got time to do that in this video because I am going to probably do it in my own time when I've got a little bit more time to not rush it, because I don't want to leave the black stuff on that, and I want to take it completely off, pure white. So let's see if we can turn the car on using the new button. There we go. Perfect, guys, so there we go. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, smash a like rating on it. Also subscribe if you're new, and ding dong that bell to see more videos like this. This has been a little bit rushed, but it's obviously I have a full-time job, so I'm on the way to work. But yeah, I'm excited to do more videos like this. When I do it on the weekend, I'll do more thorough videos, but I've got so much planned for this, I cannot wait. But for now, guys, I'll catch you guys in another video. Subscribe and like. See you guys soon.